Hi everyone, in this video we are learning about the heat engine. A heat engine converts heat energy into some useful work. A heat engine works between two reservoirs. One is hot reservoir and another one is cold reservoir. The hot reservoir can be at temperature T1 and the cold reservoir can be at temperature T2, and cold reservoir and hot reservoir, as we can see from their name, T1 must be greater than T2. Here is this symbolic heat engine. Now this heat engine takes energy from the hot reservoir and converts this energy into some useful work, and the rest of the energy which is not converted into the useful work is transferred to the cold reservoir. This hot reservoir acts as source of energy and the cold reservoir acts as sink of extra energy. Imagine if the energy given by the hot reservoir is Q1 and the work done by the heat engine is W, then the remaining energy Q2 can be given as Q2 is equal to Q1 minus W. I hope you have already guessed it. Now the next part is the efficiency of the heat engine. If we calculate the efficiency, then we know from the formula efficiency is the useful work divided by the input energy. So useful work in case of heat engine is W and the input energy is Q1. Can we find the value of useful work by using the value of Q2 and Q1? Yes, we can find, and that value is W is equal to Q1 minus Q2. If we substitute this value of W in this part of the efficiency equation, we will get efficiency something like this: eta is equal to Q1 minus Q2 by Q1, which can be written as 1 minus Q2 by Q1. So I will write here the formula of efficiency: eta is equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1.